Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your hanging problem in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. So let's start the video. Friends, if you are charging your phone and you are using it and it's always hangs, so you have not to do this thing. It will permanently hang your smartphone. So uh, do not play games when you are charging the phone or other work you are doing. So let's click on this file manager, and if your storage is full, you have to clear it by uh, removing such items like image, videos, audios, documents. And you can see its storage here it is. And you can just use external storage like SD card, and you can just transfer your files and data if it is important. So it will be free and it's not do hang while you are using. It sounds like you're getting a So here you can see internal storage. You can just delete items that are not usable, or you can delete such apps that are not in use and just wasting your storage and hanging out your phone. So just click on it and uninstall them. Third, you have to click on settings. Click on scroll down. You have to click on apps. Here it is manage apps. Then you have to scroll down. You can see there are some of the apps are that is 40-80 MB. You have to click on that is taking more MB. So you have to click on clear cache like this, or you can just simply click on this device usage and turn off the background data. And if you are not using the smartphone, so it will not consume your data, or it will not uh, heat your smartphone, so it will not hang. You can do more apps like, friends, you can see these are taking more storage, so you can just clear it out like this, and it will fix your hanging problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.